Hi everyone, let's start. As always, the first thing we are doing, you go to our GitHub to see what we are doing. But the last thing we do, it's important for us to set up our project. Let's go to Dam Hazard Analysis and read the last commit. Okay, upgrading our random forest, we created our model and we ended creating them. So today we are going to complete the report and end it. Okay, let's try to complete the report and end this project. Let me just empty my rescue bin. Let's start our GitHub. Surely we need that. We don't need that, but let's start to create and end our project. Okay, we have here our data, models, everything else. Let's go to models, regressions. Okay, I think in the report we completely describe about the classification and it's complete. Now we need to analyze our regression. Okay, let's go to our regression and analyze it in the regressions, models, regressions. Okay, here model 2. No, we have analyzing results. This text is useless by now. Let me just delete that. It's useless now. Let's see, we have model 5. Let's go and copy model 6 results also. Model 6 result is a little lower, but let me just copy them, paste them here, name it model 6, and okay, it's good. Now we have our model 6. Don't save it. Let's go to model 7. Open it. We're going to copy all the performances. Let me just copy that. We paste it here and name it model 7. I think we can just copy one of them, but I'm good with that. Let me just do the job in the hard way. Okay, now we go to model 8. Let me just copy that in the same way. Analyzing the result is important part. We are not doing the best possible way project. We are doing something just simply put to resume. For doing these jobs in the right way, you need more times, more resources, more people. It's not going to work out in a video. I'm going to show you the principles. You can complete them if you want. Okay, let's go to model 9. Just copy that. Model 9. And copy that. Okay, now we need to make everything neat. At first we select here, save the data, go to view, and in the view we freeze the panes. Now we need to align them. Okay, type regression. What is the type of model 5? Model 6. We just need to go and see model 6. Let me just open it. Okay, model 6. Is light GBM. Okay, we can call it light GBM. Model 6. Light GBM. Okay, and R2 score. We need to copy everything in the place. Let me just cut them and put them down. R2 score. We need to put the R2 score in the R2 score column. Okay, we need to put MAE in the MAE, MSE in the MSE, and experience here. Now I can delete them. Okay, model 7, model output MAE MSC R2 adjust MAP. It's correct. Let me just delete them. It's correct also. Model type. What is the problem with that? Model 9. Just copy that and paste it as a number. Okay, model output task type MAE MSC R2 score. Okay, it's nice. Let me just delete this row. Delete that. Okay, now we have everything we wanted, but we have a little problems. We can find the best model, and we just have to delete some of the things, I think. Okay, we can make two conclusions on that. One of them is by ourselves, and one of them is to give them to Gemini. Let's start by ourselves. MAP is the lower is the better. Let's get the bottom 10%. Okay, we have 3 zeros, indication, date. Oh, let me see. Some of them are hugely wrong. Here is wrong. We didn't need these columns. They are deleted. Let's delete them. Okay, let's delete them. Now we solved the problem. Now, before doing that, go to format here, conditional format, and clear rules from selected tools. Okay, now we are going to set a rule to show us bottom 10%. Okay, we have bottom 10% of that. This R2 is better. The higher the better. Let's set a greater than not greater. Let's give us the top 10%, and also here gave us the top 10%, and here gave us the top 10%, and these things are not probably can make different with each other. We need to look at them in better ways. Okay, MAP 20%, it's really good model, but it don't have any other valuations, but we need to saw that. Okay, we make it red. We need to take a look at it. Let's go take a look. Model 3, number of habitat structure evacuated. Model 3, go to run, number of habitat structure evaluated. Okay, let me just at first open the text. You see this chart said that this is a not good thing. We are going to have the structure evacuated. Am I writing in the same thing? This is not a good chart, but we need to see all the plots also to see one of them, which one of them is good or working better. But by the result, you understand it's not needed to see all the charts. For example, whenever you saw all the charts, they are the same. They are wrong. Because of that, you didn't need to see all the charts. Okay, let's go back. This thing is not a problem. Not the thing we want. Here we have this thing that has a good numbers. Model 4, volume released. Model 4, volume released. At failure. Okay, it's also bad. It's very bad. And we have number of people evacuated. Model 5, number of people evacuated. Okay, let's see that. It's a disaster also. But this is not bad. Also not good. Just not bad. Okay, we have it. And number of structure flooded. Number of structure flooded. No. Number of structure flooded. Where is that? Number of habitat structure flooded. This is also not a good prediction, but let's have it. We go down. Here we have something that get two good number. Model 6, number of habitat structure flooded. Number of habitat structure flooded. Now that's not good also. Volume released, model 7, volume released as failure. Model 7, volume released. This is a better chart. I think this is a good one. We can have it. And dam height, model 8, dam height. Dam height, plot period number, plot period, dam height. Okay, it's a really good one actually. Dam height. Volume released as failure arced. Volume released as failure. Okay. This is not good, but this thing is good. And here we didn't have anything good, but we have some of them good. Now I want to do the thing I always do, ask Gemini for the best result. These are the results of dam prediction. Can you tell me the best model and the best predicted parameters individually? Okay, we just wait for it to analyze that. Until analyzing that, we have some of them good and some of them bad, but at all its worst. Okay, let's wait for it. Five changes. I didn't see what changes we created. Okay. Now we need to create a regression here. Regression. Okay. Overall model 8, model 4, now we ask him the data that used in this report is similar to the data we use in our model. I want you to create a report like this for my project of the data I gave you. Okay, now we can wait. Okay, let's see read the report. Overall model 8, highest performance, weak. Okay, model 4, model 6, that's a good thing. We also understand that model 4 and model 8 and 6 are good. Let's see them. Model 8 is good, model 6 I can't understand why, and model 4 is good also. Okay. Okay, let me just paste it here. This is the regression. Okay, it's perfectly good. The appendix, I need the performance chart. Give me the Python code for the charts that I can add at appendix, and also the text. Okay, we need to open our Anaconda Fastly. This project is one of the good ones. I like that. Activate tensorflow.env underline v Jupyter Notebook. Okay, appendix 1. Let me just copy the text. Python code, let me just copy the code and run it fastly. I create a notebook here. Let's run it. Okay, not going to run, or they both going to run at the same time. Now we have it. Let's just wait for the chart to comes up. Okay, it's thinking. Copy the image. I can copy the image. I don't know why. Can they copy the image? But there is always a way. You can save it by Ctrl S and then download it and open it by VS Code. VS Code is also free and it's low in the data. Now here you can copy cell output, paste it here. Okay, it's good. Figure 1. Now the end. Okay, that's a very good report. Now, can you create the text to copy in README file in my GitHub README from the text you created for regression? Okay, now we go to GitHub. Let me just save it, and we need to simply commit everything at first from here, making last report. Let's push them. Okay, it's created the text. Let's go to the project. Damn hazard, okay. We have here, want to edit that, edit README. I think it's not created the thing I want. And for some reason I can't edit that. Oh, I can edit now. Let me just preview that. Okay, now okay, it's a good one. Let me just commit the changes. But here maybe we get the problem. Let's fetch it to origins. Okay, now we create that. The report file is also ready. We want to create the site of it. As always, let's create a site from the report. I save it as PDF in my desktop. Just wait for it. Oh, I forgot to change the format to PDF. Now I can't delete that. Okay, it's not a problem. Let's print it. Okay. Report. We open another Gemini. Can you create a site for report I gave to you? We are just going to wait for the report to create it for the site. Let's see if I forget anything about this project. We have site, presentations. Oh, presentations. The presentations is also important. Let's open Gamma. Okay, can you give me HTML, CSS and JS for the web page that show the report I gave to you in the best and beautifulest way? Okay, let's go to Gamma. Create new. We are out of credit. Refer a friend. Invite a teammate. Copy referral link. I'm out of credit. Let's see if I can create it or I need credit. I don't really understand. Desktop report. Okay, it's creating the text. Gave all of the codes in one HTML. Let's see if you understand. I think you understand. I can create anything. Oh, I can create 9 cards. It's enough for me for now. Let's just view the theme. Okay, I need to copy that and run it. file, new file. Okay, new text file, built-in. Select the language, HTML. Okay, why it's not selecting the language? HTML. Okay, the language is selected. Now I need to save this. I save it in desktop and call it DAM for now. Let's save it. Go here and open the DAM. For the result, let's I think this phase look cool, and let's generate it. Okay, oh, it doesn't give me any way to create that. Let's go to the classification results. Okay, part 2 regressions. Okay, the site is good, but I want it to be the best. Can you make the site style darker and look amazing? Okay, I'm going to copy that to the site we have here and call it site 1. Okay, it's DAM 1. Our project is ended. We are just going to make it more look beautiful looking. Let's go to our repository. It's perfect. It takes a lot of time, but at the end it's look perfect. I enjoy creating that. Let me just copy and paste it. Run it. That's pretty amazing. But let me ask it more thing. Can you make it CSS to look stunningly beautiful? It's for my resume. Okay, I'm going to copy that also, paste it here for now, and then rename it to DAM 2 and cut that, paste it in the site. Okay, let's see the result. I just want to see the result fastly. Okay, it's pretty good looking. Both of them are look better. I think this is the last one. We don't need any more because they now look great. Cut that, put it here. Okay, we end this project. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. I hope you enjoy it. I believe that I done a good work. If you have any problems, you can ask me, and I hope all of you have a nice time. Until then, bye.